because you've now asking me, like, tell me what this is. And the problem is, not a lot of people are able to actually clearly articulate that, right? Because not everyone speaks CFO, unfortunately. And this is sort of, it comes back to the previous point, is if we can get the CFO to be data confident and to invest confidently, it almost makes that process a bit easier, because they can start prompting and asking the right questions. But from a strategic investment perspective, that is really where you start asking the right questions. So with the same customer, same industry, they've gotten out to a point to say, but we now really need to make a proper formal investment in skills and platforms and licenses, etc. What does that mean for the business? And instead of, just doing something within 3 months because everybody said they need to, it's now really going back to the drawing board to understand from a business perspective, what are our key strategic objectives? From a business point of view, what do we want to achieve? How does this spend enable us to achieve those objectives? In which way, shape, and form? And one of the big drivers, obviously, for them is revenue growth. So how does this really get us to this point of increasing that revenue growth? Obviously, some use cases can also be cost reduction, risk mitigation, or value at risk, which we've also seen in many cases in some industries, where specifically banking, where value at risk is a big factor.